Traders, my name is Enoch the Trader. I've come back to show you how to trade S&P 500, Nasdaq and US 30. How do we trade this? Okay, the first and the most important thing is that which you have to take into consideration is US 500 cash or SNO on this platform is being called S&P 500 is US 500 cash, which is S&P 500 moves similar to US 100 cash, which is Nasdaq. That is the information that you should have at the back of your mind. So this is US 30, US 100 or Nasdaq. It should agree. It moves together also in correlation with US 30. It also moves US 30. Okay, this is how they move. They agree. They move the similar way. So if you want to trade any of them, you must make sure that they all agree. Before you touch S&P 500, you must look at Nasdaq, and you also have to check on US 30. For example, if you want to trade S&P 500, which is this one, S&P 500, you can see in a daily time frame we have here. It just happened now on 22 August. This is a Friday, 22 August. We have seen impulse pullback, of course double bottom here. We are moving up, so the market is shifting. The momentum is shifting to the upside. Okay, so if I want to trade this, I must check also US 100 if it is doing the same. If it's not doing the same, then there is manipulation. Let's see US 100 or Nasdaq. Let's check. When you look at this one, okay, when you look at Nasdaq here, it is telling us the same information, that there was a pullback push, and then there's an impulse, then the pullback here, and it's happening at 61.8 Fibonacci, and the market, the momentum is shifting to the upside. It's shifting to the upside, just exactly like what S&P 500 is telling us. But this is not enough. I have also to go to US 30. When I go to US 30, I should see the same information. What am I seeing on US 30? US 30 is telling me the same. There was a pullback dip here, and all of a sudden the momentum is shifting to the upside. So what is the market saying? The market is saying the momentum is now pushing to the upside. So if I'm trying to trade any of them, I have to look at the three of them. They have to move in the similar manner. If they are not moving in the similar manner, you are not looking at a market from the realistic point of view. So this is how we trade indices. S&P 500, US 100 or Nasdaq and US 30, any of them. If you want to trade, the confirmation is on all these three. Even when one of them is disagreeing with the rest, don't trade until they say the same thing. That's when you are sure you now are ready to trade. So this is the simple way. I wanted just to show you how to trade the indices. This is how you do it. But by the way, let me say something. What I said concerning US dollar falling is already happening right now. Let's go to US index. US index, here we have the head, we have a shoulder, completed the shoulder, we are now tacking to a downside, meaning USD is now weakening. US, in this case in US Swiss franc, we can see there is a high here, lower high, and another lower high. We have already breaking the low here. USD is weakening. US CAD We can see here ahead here breaking. We are going to close today, because this is 20 hours on Friday. We are going to close within here and we are coming down, implying that USD is weakening. Now let's check on Aussie USD. Aussie USD, you can tell here at this support level we have got a strong candle going to the upside. Okay, support level is a strong candle giving us direction upside, weakening of US dollar. Euro USD, we can see here pullback coming in deep in the pullback area. You remove this one, coming down here, pullback here, and then a big candle giving us direction, weakness in USD. Or New Zealand USD, we can see it has come in the support area. We've seen a strong candle here going to upside, USD weakness. What about GBP USD? We've seen pullback here, and then the end of the pullback with a strong candle giving us direction, USD weakening. All this is telling us USD is weakening. Thank you very much for watching this video. May God bless you. See you in the next video that I'm going to drop very soon, 2 weeks from now. But as you can see, USD is already weakening. I predicted this a month ago. That's when I was saying that US dollar is about to collapse, and we can see it before our eyes. USD dollar is collapsing before our very eyes. We can see, we are witnessing the collapse of US dollar before our very eyes. But I said this a month ago that US dollar is collapsing. Thank you very much for watching. May God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, share and comment. God bless you. See you. This has been Enoch the Trader.